Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be unboxing the Young Nails mystery boxes. So I wasn't planning on doing this video until next week, but it arrived today. But it came in the mail today, so I was like, I'm going to just open it now. So yeah, this is what we're going to do today. Bear with me, because I'm not in my usual recording spot. So the angle's probably going to be trash. So as you can see, it was packaged much better than last year so far. And we're going to start with one of the smaller boxes. I'm not sure which box is which. I'm not sure which box is which. So we're just going to start with this one. This box was $30, and I think it was valued at $100. Alright, so it looks like we got our 6-ounce monomer. That's $21. We got some slick pores. Slick pores, their dip nail stuff. So we got 6 of those, and that's $10.50 each. So we're at a total of $84 so far. And looks like the same colors as last year, honestly. And we got some conversion gel, top and base. Those are also $10.50 each, so we're at a total of $105 for this box. Conversion gel basically turns their nail polish into a gel polish. Sorry guys, my voice is giving. If you are someone who does dip nails a lot, then this kit would have been perfect for you. It's only $30 and it's clearly worth over $100. Not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but on to the next box. This is the other smaller mystery box. It was $30 and valued at, I think, $130. Don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. I don't remember. Anyway, we got 2 striper brushes. This one's really thin, but the second one looks much better. I think I'm going to keep that one for sure. I might give away the other one. I got enough striper brushes, honestly. The brushes are $10.50 each. Next, we got some gel pots. It looks like 5 of them. These are their art gels that are supposed to be no wipe and very pigmented, so I will review these later. They are also $10.50 each, so that takes us to $73. I think this one is a glitter. Lastly, we got some full coverage tips. Those were valued at $30, so that takes us to $103 for this box. And now we're on to the third and the largest box, the $100 box. That's what this is. As you can see, it is packaged much better than last year. This box is supposed to be valued up to $500, so let's add this up and see. Foil starting at $10 each. We got 2, so that's $20 so far. Next, we got 2 Synergy gels, the precision tip applicators. This is your $100 right here. These are $52.50 a piece. So we're at $125 right now. Next we have is the base gel, which is also $52.50. This leaked a little bit, so now we're at what, $177. Looks like we have a foil, which is $10. A manicure top, which is $10.50, and we have a stain resistant top coat, which is $15. Which gives us $213. We have a manicure color as well for $10.50. It's bringing us to $223. This video is not sponsored by Young Nails. I bought this with my own money, and this is my own personal opinion about these products. Next, we got the acrylic in Cover Pink, Speed White, Core White, and Speed Clear. These are 85-gram jars, which is 3 ounces each, for $20, taking us to $293 in total. Next, we have their monomer and their swipe, both 32 ounces, clocking us in at $387.50. Quick announcement while I open these. My store will be on sale all December long, readyandmore.com. It is Christmas time, and I know times get tough, so everything's on sale, except mystery boxes. join our mailing list. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on our other social platforms. So after about $90 in bottles, my new box total is now about $471.50. Pretty sure I'm not going to keep most of this because I'm not going to use most of this. So I'm probably going to give it away. If you're interested in this, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Anywho, I have about $676 worth of stuff here. I spent like $172 altogether with taxes and stuff. My overall opinion, they did a better job than last year. I say this year it was worth it. The big box anyway. I didn't really like the first box, but it was only $30, so why not? But as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.